Yesterday, we confirmed a Twin Cities man died while fighting for the Islamic terrorist group ISIS.
And within the last hour, this story is taking yet another turn. Fox 9's Maury Glover joins us live from the studios tonight. Maury, what's the latest?
Well, we're hearing yet another American killed while fighting for ISIS in Syria is from Minneapolis. A source telling Fox 9 Abdirahmaan Muhumed was killed fighting the same battle that Douglas McCain died in. Just 2 months ago, he was the focus of an NPR story about Minnesotans being enticed to fight with terror groups in Syria. And that's something that has people concerned here in the Twin Cities.
These are the many faces of Douglas McCain.
Shocked. I'm shocked because that's nothing like him.
To Shelley Chase, he was the friendly neighbor who played basketball with her young son and kept him out of trouble. He and his family lived in this apartment building in New Hope.
He was always respectful. He would never hurt. He was always looking out for other kids out here. He was a good kid.
But to federal investigators, McCain was an increasingly radicalized American who showed his support for ISIS on Facebook and Twitter before traveling overseas to fight for them.
Americans are being recruited. That effort has been ongoing for some time now.
Federal investigators say a handful of Minnesotans are among the 100 or so Americans who've left the country to take up arms for militant extremists in Syria.
We're just getting stronger and stronger.
Most of them disaffected young men, targeted by videos like this one from Al-Shabaab, featuring McCain's high school friend, Troy Castigar, who died fighting in Somalia 2 years ago.
This is the real Disneyland.
Minnesotans should be concerned about that because we don't want our young people to be misled and to think one thing and actually find out it's quite a different thing, and basically to succumb to propaganda.
But Somali community organizer Abdi Bihi says ISIS recently started recruiting young women from the Twin Cities to their cause.
Brainwashing them to marry them off to jihadists. But they call them as to help out as nurses or, help the wounded. But the real catch is that they will be sexually exploited.
The extremists may call it a path to paradise, but Bihi says the only thing the young people who take it will face is disappointment.
What will not change is the agony and the pain and suffering of the parents.
Now, Bihi says without resources to create jobs, disaffected youth will continue to be vulnerable to Islamic extremists. He's even created a GoFund account to help combat that recruitment efforts, and we've added that info to our website at myfox9.com.